Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Limited. This one is bright white over wicker beige. Sticker price of $55,265. This thing is gorgeous. This is the first ever 3-row Grand Cherokee. That's not coming off, don't worry. This thing is awesome. I love it. Virtual rear view mirror, of course. And the interior is big steps above the 2-row Grand Cherokee, but oh man, what a machine. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Let's go for a drive. I think the first time I drove this, I was in sport mode, so I've dropped it down to auto. So when you get on it, it will put itself into sport mode, but when you're in these tight situations and around parking lots, it's not gonna be, how do I word this, on edge, where the throttle's really touchy. So I prefer auto, honestly. Not bad from the 3.6, not bad at all. Give it gas. Alright, so now that I'm driving it in auto mode, throttle tip in is just a little less. Let me try dedicated sport mode. Over the bump. Yeah, that's not bad. I don't know if you saw that, but when it gets to red line, it turns red. That's awesome. I love that. And I was in manual mode. That is awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.